Hey, it's Mark from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, we're going to talk about changing batteries in common thermostats. Okay, so let's take this basic Honeywell unit right here to start with. Now, a lot of people have these in their homes, and you might be looking at it thinking, well, where's the insert for the batteries, or where do I open this for the batteries? Well, actually what you do is you just take the entire front plate off. So it just basically splits in half. You grab the little sort of handle here on the bottom, and you just kind of pry it apart. Right there. And the batteries are right there on top. This plate will be in the wall, and you change the batteries on this, and then you just put it back on like that. So in the same way, you can take a look at one of these touchscreen Honeywells, right? And this one actually has a button on the top. It says press. And what you would do is you press the button, and it sort of comes apart easily right there. And this one takes 4 batteries, so you would change it. Now the only difference here, it has these little notches that go right on the bottom there. So you put that in first, like that, and then it just closes easily. This little Honeywell guy right here, very similar to the first one. It just has a little handle and it comes off. It's the batteries right there. This is basically a plate that's on the wall, and it just goes back on. So this Emerson unit is a little different in that when you pull it off, there's a little handle right here. Most of these units will have something to sort of grab onto so that you can take it apart. And you just go like that, and the front plate comes off. The whole thermostat is attached to the back here. The 2 batteries right there. And you change it. That's it. And this Emerson touchscreen thermostat actually doesn't split in half. See, you like the other ones, you're looking to split this kind of in half, but what happens here is this one, it's the back plate that comes off. And you don't want to use excess force on these at risk of breaking them, but so that's what comes off here, and this will be attached to the wall. So here at supplyhouse.com, we actually have the newer model T4 units on our walls, and these are actually even easier. They just come right off, and you can change the batteries. So this unit is actually a little different, and some of them will have situations like this where the battery is actually in its own little insert. So on the top of this Honeywell thermostat, it's a little button that says press. You go like this, and out comes the battery sort of packet. And you can change those batteries out. And then you put that right back in the thermostat, like that. And that's how you change those. As far as actually changing the batteries, this is pretty self-explanatory, but you just sort of want to make sure that you're following the direction for each thermostat. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions. And if you guys have any thermostats that were not covered in this video, feel free to comment the model number below, and we'll try to help you out with that.